As usual, change gate naman tayo for Cebu Pacific. Antay tayo ng ilang oras sa isang gate, tapos at the last hour bago mag-boarding, change venue tayo, change gate. See you. Gate 105 originally at the farthest right sa Terminal 3. Tapos ngayon, we're moving to gate 115 on the opposite end. So basically parang we just walk through the whole section of NAIA Terminal 3. Diba? Saya. Nothing to complain. Happy pa rin, diba? Love you. Try natin yung guys. Let's try the GCash card app. Visa card. Hello friends and family. Kaway-kaway naman. Hi. So 12:20 arrival namin, and then it took us 2 hours bago makalabas. Immigration, mahaba ang pila. So right now we're taking the Grab, or ask for the taxi. Kasi ang train is 5 AM pa. Anta kami ng 2 hours para doon. Pero nasa mga 15 ringgit yung difference. So we'll go for that, for Grab or taxi. Alright. See you later. Hi friends. Life check. Status. It's 2:45. So antok na. Yan. Tutulog na ka tayo. Just waiting for our pick-up. Grab na lang kami. 70 ringgit versus taxi na 170. Diba? Tapos magti-train ka, nasa 55 ringgit. Hindi pa diretso yun sa hotel. It's just from the galing dito and then to the train station. So sometimes you have to really do the math and decide from there, di ba? Alright, see you later. I'm finally home. Sarap na matulog. Later. Good morning, Malaysia. Good morning, Malaysia. And this is the view from our room. Look at the Petronas Towers at the distance. See you tomorrow. Yeah, and that's... This is Malaysia. Truly Asian. Hello friends, good morning.
It's 4 a.m. in the morning.
What time is it?
4
4 a.m. na. And finally, we're now here sa accommodation namin and it was not disappointing. Diba? And look at the view. So, right behind us is the Twin Towers of the Petronas. Bukas pupuntahan namin yan. And I'm not sure kung ano yung maliwanag na tower. And look at the skyline of Malaysia. Yeah, right behind us. And bilis ng biyahe namin. Si Kuya tumatakbo ng 140 kilometers per hour na expressway. So, pikit ka na lang, di ba? And pray na walang mangyari na masama. So, yeah. Finally, we're here. We'll take some nap and then see you guys later. Tomorrow. Ngayon na pala. See you guys later.